Can a simple signature confirm that the person actually intended to leave behind their property in a certain way? Well, the Punjab and Haryana High Court has made it clear. Just admitting that a signature exists on a paper doesn't prove that it's a valid will. To establish that a will is genuine, strong and credible evidence must be provided. Justice Pankaj Jain established that a will is a special kind of document because it only comes into effect after the person who wrote it has passed away. So the court must be fully convicted that the person knew exactly what they were signing and intended for it to be their final wish. Simply proving the signature isn't enough. The person presenting the will must bring rock solid evidence and trustworthy witnesses. This ruling came while the court was hearing a case where a man challenged a 2014 order that had rejected his claim for a letter of administration based on a will dated January 26, 1990, allegedly written by his late father Sarwan Singh Dhaliwal. The will was supposedly witnessed by Malkiyat Singh and another person. However, when Malkiyat Singh was questioned in court, his statements didn't add up. At first, he claimed to have witnessed the will being signed as required by Section 63 of the Indian Succession Act 1925. But during cross examination, his testimony completely fell apart. He even gave false statements about the death of Sarwan Singh Dhaliwal's wife, Preetam Kaur. Worse, his statements contradicted what he had said in an earlier case in Patiala Civil Court. The other witness to the will was not even presented in court. The High Court found the witness unreliable and the entire situation suspicious. It also referred to a Supreme Court judgment from the case Kavita Kanwar versus Pamela Mehta, which stated that when a will unfairly distributes property or excludes legal heirs without reason, it raises red flags. Given all these issues, the High Court dismissed the appeal, stating that the will failed to meet the legal standards required for proof. So, if you ever find yourself in a will dispute, remember, proof matters more than paper. Do let us know what are your thoughts on this case, and if you wish to read this case in detail, click on the link in the description or visit our website www.livelaw.in. And for more such legal updates, stay tuned to Live Law.